Hello. Welcome to the video. Welcome to Fehr Digital Marketing, where our goal is to bring you value about Facebook advertising and social media management. In today's video, I am going to be going over how to install the Facebook Pixel on a Wix platform website. So we're going to be installing it manually, not doing a partner integration, but we'll get all into that fun stuff just in a bit. So let's dive on in. Okay, so here's your Wix. So right now what you want to do, open up your Wix account. We're not going to be starting there. We're actually going to be starting in business Facebook, but I would say get this ready because it will be a vital part in this process. So first step, go to business.facebook.com, and then we're going to go here. If you don't have a Facebook page, you need to set up a Facebook page, business page, and then go to businessfacebook.com. And if you don't have a business ads manager account, set that up now as well. So once you have that set up, once you have your business Facebook page set up, the screen will look something like this, and then we can move forward. So go down to more tools on the left, and you'll see all of these options to go. Go to Events Manager. And then when you hit the Events Manager, you're probably going to see nothing here because you don't have a Facebook pixel, or if you're taking over an account, there may be something there, but these are pre-existing pixels. Go over to the green little button here. It says Connect Data Sources. Click that. So connecting a data source is connecting a pixel. So we're going to do it for a website. Go to Connect, name your pixel, tutorial. So I would name the pixel whatever it is, maybe the company name and whatever website. So for instance, I have a pixel set up for Calendly, as you can see, Fehr Digital Marketing Calendly. It's on my Calendly website. So anyone who goes there, I can track that data. So create the pixel. Now you want to put in your URL, whatever your website is for that. Click Next. This is a new feature, but we're going to want to do this, Conversions API. So this is running conversion ads. So when you're getting people to do conversions, you can tell the Facebook pixel or tell the ads manager what type of person you want to send this pixel or this advertisement towards. And that's what the pixel does, is it generates information about what type of a person someone might be. And it's pretty powerful stuff, because as you can see, we'll click Next here. It's going to tell you a little about it. You can read this information. As I mentioned, we're not doing the partner integration, but Wix, WordPress, Kajabi, there's lots of different sites on there that you go to see that you can do it that way. But again, this video is for manually implementing the API. And this is also a new feature as of the beginning of November, I believe, 2021. And these are the things that we want to search for. So this is what the pixel can tell. So it can tell if you're a clicky type of person, or if you're a person who actually makes a lot of purchases. So that's very important, because once you can gain that information, you can gain that information about your clients. And then when you have enough information, I believe it's over 100 people have visited your site. Then you can retarget ads towards, I want to only show people who purchase. And it will run that ad to people who are, who have a high tendency to purchase things online. So you can see the power of it. So click all of that are important to you and your business. So for me, view content, search, purchase, not purchase, subscribe, start trial, complete registration, schedule. So for me, Fehr Digital Media, it's not really selling products, it's selling a service and managing other people's social media accounts and running Facebook ads. So I'm selling my time. I'm selling appointments, so schedule, complete registrations. These things make more sense to me. But if you're selling a product, purchase, add to cart, things like that are going to be important to you. Click next or continue. Then it's going to tell you a little bit more about each one of these. And what you're going to want to do is click some further details that are going to be important for you to know. And now, of course, they're not going to submit their information unless they don't want it to be submitted, but these are things that you want to be aware of, that Facebook can automatically detect. And then if they submit their information, it's important information for you to have. Click next. Gives you some more information of reviewing the setup. Oh, actually, let's go back a step here. So for each one of these, you're going to want to, get this type of information, right? And then even here, you can have opt out if the person wants to opt out of it, data processing options. There's a lot of ways you can customize these pixel data harvesting tools that could be very specific to your business. So make sure you take the time to go through this and do what makes sense to you. So then once you've done all that, you're into review setup. You review it. If you're happy with it, great. If you have someone running your Facebook page and you have gotten to this point, send those instructions to your web developer who's going to put them on your website. But if you have a Wix website, and that's the reason you're watching this video, we're going to do that right now. So continue setting up the pixel. Again, we're not doing this, we're doing the manual. So you go here, you copy the code. So now the code has been copied to our clipboard. And as I mentioned earlier, have the Wix website opened where you're in the back end of the system of your website. And then we're going to want to go down to settings on the left here. Click settings, go all the way to the bottom to advanced, click custom code. Now add custom code, you'll probably see nothing here. Add custom code, and then you're going to want to paste the code that we just copied, this copy code. We're going to want to paste that right in here. Pick the domain that you want it for, and you're going to want to name it. So tutorial pixel. So you know it when you come back. If you're pasting any other codes there, you will have to paste one. I'm going to do a video on verifying your domain. It's going to be separate from this video, but that's extremely important. There's no ands, ifs, or buts. You got to verify your website, or else you are going to be viewed as scam and not make any traction. Got to get it verified. It's a rule. So all pages you want this on, and you want it in the header of all the pages. That's where the pixel wants to be. And once you have done that, you click apply and you're good to go. I'm going to hit cancel because I already have it going on here. So that's it. That is setting up the Facebook pixel. So then what you can do, refresh it over here. So it goes, it updates on your website. You can see that it's there. You can even go here and republish your website to, double make sure, but you shouldn't have to. Go back to Facebook, continue event setup tools. That's a different topic, but you can set up events for your pixels, which we'll cover in another video as well. Then you're going to get to verify domain. You're definitely going to want to click this and verify the domain, but we are going to do that later because I've already have that verified on this website. We'll do that in a different video. So go to the pixel. Now you'll have this and you can refresh it and it should show active. You will need to verify the domain, but that shouldn't matter right now. This is the one I have on my website. It's active, it's good and well. One thing to keep in mind, don't panic. Facebook and Instagram have been extremely glitchy lately, and I had all my pixels down for a couple days. it was, I think about a week or two ago, I had them all down. None of them were firing, showing active. And just because it's been super glitchy with all their updates, I kind of had a hunch that, I think it's just Facebook. So I waited, and sure enough, everything went back up and running, no problems. So if things are glitching and it's not working right away, give it a little bit, it will come up. And if something is really not working, reach out. We'll have no issues handling those questions and do our best to get you on your way to optimizing your online platforms and running Facebook ads. Thanks for the time. Like, subscribe to the channel, and ask any questions on further videos that you would like to see. Helps out a ton. Until next time, ciao for now.